Today, we're comparing three of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop systems available right now: the Bcdroid A10 Ultra, the Roborock Saros 10R, and the Eufy S2 Omni. Quick disclosure before we begin, this video is sponsored by Bcdroid, so we will be looking at these three models through the lens of where the Bcdroid stands out and what it has to offer over the competition. If you're considering any of these models, links to all three will be included in the video description below. At a high level, all three robots aim to deliver a fully hands-free cleaning experience with strong suction, intelligent navigation, and automated docks that handle emptying, washing, and drying. Where they really begin to separate is in how they deal with pet hair, long-term maintenance, odor control, and reliability over months or years of daily use, especially in homes with multiple pets. Starting with suction power, the Eufy S2 Omni leads on paper with a 30,000 Pascal rating, followed by the Bcdroid A10 Ultra 25,000 Pascals and the Roborock Saros 10R at 22,000 Pascals. In practical use, all three deliver strong pickup on hard floors and carpets, but suction numbers alone do not tell the full story. What matters more is how effectively that power is transferred into carpet fibers, particularly when pet hair is deeply embedded. This is where the Bcdroid A10 Ultra stands out. It uses an auto-lowering main brush that actively presses down into carpet fibers, allowing it to lift and remove pet hair that has been trampled deep into the fibers. In their official testing, this approach removes over 99% of embedded pet hair, rather than just collecting what sits on the surface. Even compared to higher suction ratings, the physical brush pressure makes a noticeable difference on thick carpets and high traffic areas. Brush design and maintenance are another major point of separation. The Bcdroid A10 Ultra introduces the world's first fully detachable main brush module. Not just the brush itself, but the entire brush chamber can be removed, rinsed under water, and snapped back into place without flipping the robot over or disassembling parts. This prevents hidden hair buildup, trapped residue, and lingering odors that can develop over time inside traditional brush housings. Roborock and Eufy both use effective anti-tangle brush designs, but their brush modules are not fully detachable, which means debris and moisture can still accumulate in areas that are difficult to clean thoroughly. Odor control is another area where long-term ownership experience really matters. The Bcdroid A10 Ultra uses a unique right-angle wastewater diversion system combined with an odor lock module that prevents sewage smells from developing inside the dirty water system. Even when the wastewater tank sits for several days, there is no unpleasant odor when it comes time to empty it. Most wash and mop robots on the market, including other premium models, do not include a dedicated odor control system in the wastewater path, which can lead to noticeable smells over time, especially in pet-heavy homes. Hot water mop washing is supported by all three robots, but how they handle scale buildup over time is very different. The Bcdroid A10 Ultra uses a patented dual water path design that separates hot and cold water lines. This dramatically reduces mineral scale formation and lowers the risk of clogging even in hard water regions. As a result, the system is designed to operate reliably for 1 to 2 years without the maintenance issues that commonly affect hot water systems where temperature cycling accelerates buildup. Traditional shared water paths, which are still common across the category, can begin to clog within months under frequent use. Each robot takes a different approach to mopping itself. The Eufy S2 Omni uses a self-cleaning roller mop with constant pressure and real-time washing, which is particularly effective for sticky spills. The Roborock Saros 10R relies on dual spinning mops that lift automatically on carpets and extend for edge cleaning. The Bcdroid A10 Ultra focuses on consistency and hygiene, pairing hot water mop washing with intelligent stain detection, automatic mop lifting, and dry-wet separation to prevent cross-contamination between hard floors and carpets. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are strong across all three models. The Roborock Saros 10R uses Starsight Autonomous System 2.0 with lateral obstacle detection and pet monitoring features. The Eufy S2 Omni uses CleanMind AI with recognition for over 200 obstacle types. The Bcdroid A10 Ultra combines LDS laser navigation with AI-powered structured light obstacle avoidance, identifying over 100 common obstacles while intelligently dividing rooms based on furniture type. It also includes night vision cleaning with the built-in spotlight, allowing the robot to maintain accurate obstacle detection even in low-light environments. Edge and corner cleaning is another area where small design choices add up. The Bcdroid A10 Ultra delivers near flush wall cleaning with precision edge coverage, minimizing gaps along baseboards and corners. Roborock and Eufy both use extending side brushes and edge-aware systems, which perform well, but Bcdroid's approach strives to leave fewer missed areas along walls. All three robots include fully automated docks, but the Bcdroid multifunctional dock is designed around long-term ease of use. It handles hot water mop washing, high temperature hot air drying, automatic dust emptying, dirt detection, auto tank refilling, and faster smart charging with battery-friendly overnight behavior. The dock base itself is detachable, making it easier to clean and maintain, and dust bag replacement is typically needed only about 4 times per year. When it comes to thresholds and carpets, the Bcdroid A10 Ultra features a 23mm climbing ability with 3 elevation technology, allowing it to move smoothly between rooms. It automatically lifts the mop, boosts suction on carpets, and lowers the main brush to dig deeper into fibers. While both Roborock and Eufy also lift their mops and adjust chassis height, Bcdroid's brush pressure system gives it an advantage when dealing with deeply embedded pet hair. All 3 of these robots are premium machines, but they are built with different priorities in mind. The Roborock Saros 10R emphasizes slim design and smart home integration, while the Eufy S2 Omni focuses on maximum suction and roller-style mopping performance. The Bcdroid A10 Ultra stands out by addressing real ownership challenges like odor control, brush cleaning, long-term reliability, and deep pet hair removal, while still delivering flagship-level cleaning performance.